Mosley here with Off Leash Canine Training. This is 15-month-old GSD Groot. Just got dropped off for our 2-week boarding train program. Let me show you where he's at. Day of drop off. Groot, come here, come here. Good. Hey, sit, 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 sit. Down, down. Oh, he knows down. Bruce, place, 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 place. Mom says he's easily distracted. There's some distractions off in the distance. He's not worried about me. This guy's gonna be a superstar in just 14 days, so stay tuned for his amazing progress. Let's go. Come on.
Hi, my name is Carrie Catalan and this is Groot. I put him in the board and train for 2 weeks while I went to Boston, and I got regular updates from my trainer that was amazing me because I wasn't sure that this would ever happen, that he could sit here and not want all the attention. And if anybody's worried about leaving their dog with a trainer, at least you get the weekly or get the daily updates, and you get to see pictures and videos of them as they're training, and they're progressing. So I would definitely highly recommend this company and the trainers that are involved. If you're ever on the fence about it, just watch the videos on their website to show you what they're able to do, even with like aggressive dogs or with dogs that just have no manners or need door manners, which mine did. So.
Do you think Groot does everything that you saw in the videos?
Yeah, actually I was really surprised. The biggest one was heeling next to me. That one was the one that I had struggled with the hardest when we were on walks. And he's doing it perfectly. Even if I'm imperfect, learning this remote thing.